friends. In this lecture, we are going to talk about what happens after submission of a manuscript for publication. Of course, this is also going to touch upon some of the duties and responsibilities of the peer reviewers, but our focus is primarily on how to accept and react to the normally concurrences and recurrences of the communications that occur after submission. We know that there is a whole lot of grey literature that exists in the age of an internet in the form of blogs, in the form of opinions, etc. It is not correct to say that those literature are less important or they are less beneficial, but they are not peer reviewed. They are mainly based upon personal opinions, personal experiences, and therefore are considered non-conventional and ephemeral publications. In contrast, most scientific and scholarly journals are based on some form of peer review, and only after they are clear the peer review, they are published and they qualify for publication in the main text of the journal. Normally in a team, the chief editor of the journal assesses each new submission for the title and scope and forwards them to the section editor. Some journals may not have section editors, instead they may have editorial board members. So usually the chief editor forwards those submissions to the section editor or to the respective editorial board member. So this section editor or the editorial board member checks for the suitability for formal review. After that, if he finds that it is suitable, he sends it to one or many peer reviewer. Whenever a manuscript is submitted which has obvious plagiarism, which has serious scientific or technical error, which lacks significant message, they are rejected without proceeding for the formal peer review, and the researcher or the writer is informed forthwith. Now, peer review is a very established process in any good journal. The aim of peer review is to provide an unbiased, independent and critical assessment of the submitted manuscripts. This subserves two key roles. One is that it helps editors to judge whether this submitted manuscript is suitable for publication on the basis of expert opinion of the reviewers, and two, it provides constructive feedback to the authors about how to improve the manuscript so that they become acceptable to publication. So it serves twin purposes, and both of them are important for the journal.